Hello friends, welcome back on another video tutorial. Today I will see you how to fix getting access on Facebook Business Suite. So here it is, Business Suite. When you go here and you try to connect as your name, in my case it's my Daniel account, let's continue here, and here it is. Application does not have permission for this action. So it means that I probably think this error it comes from two-factor authentication is enabled on my Facebook account, and I think this is the reason why it doesn't let us to go and get permission. Okay, what we have to do, just click here, not you. It's a tricky thing. It's me again, but you know, it works. Put your email here. Put your password here. Or go here, log in. And here it is, the code from Facebook. It comes here with a message. We have 002425. Okay, let's go back here. 002425. Login. Oh, here we are. Okay, I am able to get access now. It works. Okay, see what's new, because it's a new page manager app. It's now Facebook Business Suite. Share with more people, stay up to date, and see what's working. Okay, see what's new. We have this new button here. We have new post ways in one place. That's cool. Explore more tools and settings. That's cool. Select what you want to work on. Done. So this is how it works. I like it. It's a new version of Facebook Business Suite. So thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. This is how we fix that error. If you face that error, this is how I fix it. God bless you.